you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have the Ulta Beauty 12 Holiday Must-Haves Advent Calendar. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So today I went and picked up this thing right here from Ulta Beauty. I walked in, I was looking all over the place. I couldn't find them. And then a really nice associate found it in the back for me. So here we go. This right here is $30 and it says that it has a value of $107. So this is how it comes with this little sleeve. Again, this is by Ulta Beauty. I have never got one from Ulta Beauty before. So I definitely wanted to get one this time because I've never got it before, so I want to show you guys. And B, this one's only $30. So if you're looking for something that's more inexpensive for yourself or for a gift, then this could be the option for you. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's all inside. So on the back, it actually does go over all of the different products, and you can obviously see it on the front as well. This is what it looks like when you remove the sleeve, and it does have more information about the products on the back. Let me cut the tape, and that's what it looks like down inside. So it does have the one little punch out. So for door number 1, we have a Clinique product, and it says take the day off makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Ooh, I have never tried a makeup remover by Clinique, so I'm super excited to try that out. And that is a good size sample for it. So I'm excited to try that out. So there's number 1. Let's go with box number 2. Down inside here is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Ooh, so we have a repair. Is this like a serum? Let's open this up and see. And I have never tried this, so that's interesting. I'm excited to try out new products. It says a fast repair and youth generating power. Experience the next generation of Estee Lauder's revolutionary formula, the most comprehensive advanced night repair serum ever. So it is a serum, so I'm super excited to test that out. So you do have that guy to try. Number 3. So this right here is by Peter Thomas Roth. It's a cucumber gel mask extreme detox hydrator. This ultra gentle gel helps soothe, hydrate, and detox the look of dry skin with botanical extracts of cucumber, papaya, chamomile, pineapple, sugar maple, sugar cane, orange, lemon, bilberry, and aloe vera. Excellent to use after sun exposure, peels, waxing, facials, and extractions. That sounds like a lot of good stuff in there, so I'm really excited to try that out. So we have number 3. Number 4. Down in number 4, it says Kinship Self-Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen Zinc SPF 32. Your SPF BFF formulated with you plus the environment in mind. And I absolutely love sunscreens, and this is a little small and I can leave in my purse if I ever need one. I have it and it's not going to take up much room, so I do like that. Number 5. So this right here is a perfume called My Way by Giorgio Armani. Let's definitely get a little whiff of this. Ooh, that smells good. I like anything pretty much by Giorgio Armani. That does smell really good. So you do get that little sample in there. So now we're going to go to number 6. Moving on up. So we're halfway there with number 6. And it's in this box right here. And this says Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream. Let's see what the product inside looks like. That's a pretty package. It looks like it's like a dark purple. And there's that. And it says gently massage onto cleansed skin using a circular motion. Apply to face and neck morning and night. So you have that cream to try out. Number 7. So number 7, we have a MAC Magic Extensions Mascara. And there's the wand. And it says the benefits is for extreme volume, false lash length, surreal lash length, smudge resistant, clump resistant, and curl lift separation defining. So there's the benefits of that. Now we're gonna go with number 8. And down inside of this one is Kiss Impress Color Press On Manicure in Ready or Not. Your everyday manicure just got easier. Say goodbye to nail polish with new Impress Color Press On Manicure. And I don't do anything really with nails, so I will save this for one of you guys and I'll put that in my future giveaway pile. What I'm thinking of doing is just collecting things from the advent calendars and then just like making my own to send to somebody for the giveaway or something like that. I think that's what I might do. Let me know if you like that idea, like, and you reuse one of the packaging that comes and just stick it in there, kind of like what I did last year. So let me know. So that was number 8. So we have, and that still smells so good. As I said, whew, I got a good whiff of that perfume again. It smells really good. Oh, so it looks like this is a nail polish. This right here says Nailtopia bio-sourced chip-free nail lacquer in Forest Hills. It does look like it's kind of like a forest greenish kind of color. It does look really nice for like the winter time. I think that would be a really nice color, but again, I don't do much, so I will set this aside to go in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. But that is a really nice festive color that's in there. I give it that. So now with door number 10. Ooh, this is a bar of soap. Yes, this is Beekman 1802 Pure Goat Milk Body Soap. Ooh, this is big. It's a big one. Beekman 1802 Pure Goat Milk Body Bar Soap is natural, triple mill bar soap formulated with goat milk to match the pH of your skin and leave skin feeling clean and hydrated. Creamy goat milk and botanicals deeply nourish and moisturize the skin, giving you long-lasting freshness with the velvety, foaming lather that cleanses without stripping skin's moisture. And it is completely fragrance-free and perfect for sensitive skin. I like the packaging. It even looks like there's like a little bit of like a ribbon going on right there. And let's see, do you open the box that way or... No, it's just a little decoration, just a fancy box. And then you have this big bar right there. Like I said, that's a big one. So that's down inside of that box, the soap bar. And then, yeah, that was the weight. Now it's like nothing. That was number 10. So number 11 is over here. Number 11 is from Tula, Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. The perfect do-it-all day and night moisturizer. This lightweight, non-greasy, yet nourishing cream is clinically proven to provide deep hydration and revive the appearance of dull and tired skin, leaving it looking more subtle, plump, and glowy. So there's that. Now we have one more door box punch out, number 12. So this is a little glass jar, and this says Lowly Date Nut Brulee Organic Nourishing Miracle Balm. A multitasker, it removes makeup, soothes lips, and moisturizes from head to toe. Wow, it does a whole lot. Definitely from head to toe. You can use it to remove makeup or use it as a moisturizer on your body or your lips. That is crazy. So it's like a little double do you wherever you want to go. That is neat. So that is everything that came in this advent calendar, you guys. Again, this is the first time me getting the Ulta Beauty one. I think these are some really good samples. And what you do get, I mean, like this would be considered a full size. The soap bar definitely is a full size. And then this is a good size to try out. You have a nail polish, which is a full size. And you get some other cool little serums. A MAC mascara. You have a multitasker over here, and then some other little samples to try out as well. And again, this is $30 and it should have a value of $107. So that is everything, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know, what did you think about the Ulta Beauty 12-day advent calendar? Have you got this one before? Do you plan on getting it this year? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.